Right guys, here we have a Fire Angel SB1-R and it's ready for destruction by tomorrow. And yes, this is finally getting destroyed for good reason, along with the, it will be included with the Febreze I have in the box, which I don't use anymore. I bought it by mistake just to try to test it, and now it's useless for collection now. Along with this alarm, and this is my main alarm now, along with my Fire Angel, which I'm going to put it on today. Maybe, hopefully nothing will go off, hopefully not soon or something. Now, this alarm is great. The status, they have good, their alarms are really good. And here's the Fire Angel, and yeah, this alarm did not survive a lot, and it's got a red thing on there, which model SB1. So we're going to be testing this. 3, 2, 1. Where's the light? There, it's doing this again. So speaker, oh, there we go. The piezo tried to speak. So this is going to be its final form until the destruction. Okay. Oh, what's up? Okay, it apparently doesn't like it. So it's stuck like this now. Like here it is. So this is ready for destruction, along with the Febreze air freshener plug-in device, which I hate now. And I already have my free Evolution over there. So yeah, this was my main alarm before I switched to this and the Pro Safe. Where is it? There it is. There's the Pro Safe. And yeah, I did switch to Vinted now, which is also a selling thing. I already switched to Vinted because eBay is just not too good for me anymore. So yeah, Fire Angel before its final words. Yeah. Rip Fire Angel, this is the last time I'm going to be seeing you. It's the worst anyways. And even though if I would buy it, I don't have enough money to buy it on my bank account. So I do may need to get some of my alarms on, or some of my Bluetooth on, the Vinted seller list. This is my favorite. So yeah, I hope I can sell stuff on Vinted. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's what you get for your angel. And yeah, destruction will be by tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Peace out.